All right, so as always, we are starting off with the funnest part of the video, and that is the drop test with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. As you can see, this is a working device. We do not use dummy devices here on the channel. Everything is looking good. We are using the Dbrand grip case right here that's going to give us full coverage for the back, the hinge, the sides, top, bottom, and the front as well. But not only the case, we are also using the Prism 2.0 tempered glass screen protector from Dbrand as well. So it's going to give us full coverage. Now, I just finished my drop test video with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 and it survived every single test. So that's probably why I'm sweating so much. In case you're wondering, it is hot out here, even hotter in the garage. It's like maybe 112. So make sure you subscribe if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, because I'm doing this for you guys. But we'll go ahead and start off with something light and easy right here. You know, this is a test I do all the time. Sometimes you're sitting in a chair, you know, your phone is on your lap, you're talking with friends, whatever. It's time to get up, you forget your phone's there, you get up and your phone drops on the floor. Or if you're like me, you have, you know, a shirt that's a little bit longer and covers your pockets, and you know, you're just walking along, you're trying to get your phone in your pocket. You don't realize that your shirt is covering the pocket. You miss it, oh, and your phone falls on the ground. Or maybe you're talking on the phone and for whatever reason, you happen to just accidentally drop it from this height right here, and it's still good. So taking a quick look right here, as you can see on the display, everything is looking good, still functioning properly, no cracks, no scratches. The inside display is still looking good as well, still functioning properly. Everything is looking good. Even the cameras in the back are looking good. No cracks, no scratches. But say you wanna do something like, I don't know, use your phone as a basketball. If I make this, then you really gotta subscribe. So through the legs, maybe you wanna go around the back and then go ahead and shoot it. Ooh, and I missed. Again, you know what? I missed in my Galaxy Z Fold 8 video as well. I missed, it landed hard, but you know what? It still looks good. Even the screen protector itself is not cracked, it's not scratched. Inside display is good. The cameras in the back are good, and that was a hard fall as well. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little bit nervous there. And no, in case you're wondering, this is not a sponsored video by any means. If you've been following the channel for a while, you know that this is just something that I personally like to do when it comes to protective cases like this, to see if it's actually going to protect your device. So as you can see, I mean, the Dbrand grip case along with the Prism 2.0 with tempered glass screen protector did a great overall job at protecting my Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. But you know what? Let's go ahead and get inside and let's take a closer look here. All right, so I have made my way inside from that drop test here with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra in the Dbrand grip case along with that Prism 2.0 tempered glass screen protector. But you'll also notice that I have skins right here on the side as well. That's one thing I love about this case, and I mentioned this for the Z Fold 8 video as well, is that you can change up the look of this case whenever you want by simply just swapping out skins. And they got tons to choose from on their website. And as you can see, this one right here kind of has a little shine to it, but I like it. It kind of changes colors depending on how you hold it in the light. Really, really nice. But taking a look at the case here, starting with the protection that we get for the cameras there. As you can see, we're getting some good lift there for the cameras. So as you saw from the drop test, if you happen to accidentally, you know, drop it on the ground on a flat surface or slide it around, it should give it just enough lift to protect those cameras in the back. One thing that I absolutely love about this case is in the name itself, and that is all of the grip that we are getting around the device. And it just makes it so easy to hold in the hand. It's going to prevent it from slipping out of your hand, slipping out of your pocket or your bag. It has some amazing grip all the way around this device. You are getting some hinge protection. You're getting precise cutouts at the top for the speaker, microphones. You do have an opening on the side for the power button and volume rockers. And this is nice because the power button actually has a built-in fingerprint sensor. So it just makes it easy to get to right there. And then of course, with the volume rockers, that's open as well. It's easy to get to those. But even though it is open, it still has just enough lift to where if you accidentally drop it on its side, it shouldn't touch any flat surface and it should be protected, as you saw from the drop test. And then down at the bottom, we do have precise cutouts for the microphones, the speaker, and the charging port. And it's got a nice secure fit on your Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. And right here in the back for that hinge protection, all it does is just simply slide on over like that, and it still protects that hinge in the back. And of course, this is screen protector friendly with their Prism 2.0 screen protector, as you can see there. And it did a great job at protecting this device. And it is compatible with wireless magnetic accessories. So this also is going to work with their fast charging here. fast wireless charging, as you can see there. So that works just fine. And this case also comes with extra adhesive strips. So there's actually adhesive under this case right here that's keeping it nice and secure on the device itself so it doesn't fall off. And I'll go ahead and just take it off. Why not? Even though it is kind of stuck on there from that adhesive, just to give you guys a good look here. You can see the adhesive strip right there and on the insides, and the same thing for the back of the case right here as well. And that is what that's going to look like on the inside. Now, when it comes to this screen protector in the front, I went ahead and did just a quick installation portion for the video before doing the drop test, so check it out. Okay, so moving on to the Dbrand Prism 2.0 tempered glass screen protector here for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. I'm actually recording this portion of the video before the actual drop test. That way we can test out the screen protector along with the Dbrand grip case. So just keep that in mind, but let's go ahead and install the screen protector on the device. Make sure you are in a dust-free environment. Make sure your device is off. They do give you some I can read instructions over here, and then you have I can't read instructions over here with a QR code, but they have really made this idiot proof. So they give you the tray here with the screen protector already under it, and this is actually a 2-piece, so you get a second screen protector in there as well in case you somehow screw up the first one or end up just breaking it later on. And then you have your cleaning kit. So let me go ahead and throw that over to the side. Got this right here, and then what comes inside the cleaning kit here is a dry cloth. You got the little squeegee here and a wet wipe, and then a few more wet wipes for that second one as well. Okay, so like I said, this is idiot proof. You're gonna get everything that you need, and even if you are not in a dust-free environment, this little tray right here actually pulls up that dust when applying the screen protector. You'll see it's really cool. It's really fast and easy, but you want to still go ahead and make sure your display is nice and clean. Just like that. We'll turn this sideways, and then we're just going to set the tray on top. Very easy to do. Make sure it's locked in there good. Okay, you ready for this? We're going to pull this right here, just like that. We're going to swipe down, just like that, and then check this out. And then we can pull up from the top. And the screen protector is now on the device. Now you can see there's a few air bubbles there, and that's where the squeegee comes in, just to push those air bubbles out so you don't have to worry about them. I am doing this behind a camera, so it's a little hard to see here if I'm even getting it right or not. Just want to make sure all those air bubbles are out. All right, so I got it on there all nice and clean, as you can see there, and just testing it out when it comes to touch here. As you can see, it is very smooth, very responsive, and honestly, it doesn't even feel like I have a screen protector on my Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. So very nice screen protector, definitely going to protect that front display, and it is also super easy to apply to your device. All right, well, there you have it, the Dbrand grip case and the Prism 2.0 screen protector on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. We did a drop test. I mean, we showed you some close-up shots as well to show you that no damage was done to the device. Everything is still looking good, still looking brand new, no damages. So what do y'all think? Let me know down in the comment sections below. If you did like this video or find it helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. If you are interested in a case, screen protector, or some skins, I'll make sure to drop a link down in the description below or the pinned comment so you can pick something up for yourself. If you did like this video, again, leave it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thanks for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.